Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are doing the Pika Challenge with Jessica's Homestead Life and Tater Tots Nursery. Uh-oh, she's got a little hair on her. Boy, this silicone it just is like a magnet for hair, and I have dogs and cats. Anyway, this is my little silicone boo. She's 13 inches. I absolutely love this doll. I mean, I never thought I'd like a doll that much. This is my little elf baby who does not have a name. If you can think of something, put it in the comments. I did work on her eyes a little bit, and I kind of manipulated them. I think they look better, don't you? Mm-hmm. She didn't look so startled. She is also full silicone. She is, oh gosh, what was she? 17 inches. When I measured her on camera, I wasn't to the top of her head. She is 17 inches. I do like her very much. I did want to show you that my elf doll came with this sleeper. So I contacted them. I said, oh, that's not going to fit. So they offered to give me $4 back, and I said, well, that won't buy an outfit. And I said 8. I should have said 12, but I said 8 because I did get my elf on a offer that I sent them. Let me change them and show you what they're wearing today. Well, here they are in their little Halloween costumes. I actually bought this outfit for Boo. Darren's like, it's not going to fit. I'm like, well, you don't know. I might be able to do something because Boo. But I made her this little outfit. I crocheted it just around her. I didn't have a pattern or anything. Put a couple buttons in the back. And then Darren 3D printed some triangle buttons for me to sew on a little jack-o'-lantern. I think that's so cute. So this is their Halloween outfits. She has on her little bat diaper under there. And after Halloween, I'll turn that to the Charlie Brown Thanksgiving. We are filming in our second choice place. It is absolutely pouring outside, so we couldn't go to the studio like we are planning. But I absolutely love these. Thank you for Pika Wednesdays. I try to participate when I can. Go see Jessica's and I think it's Tammy. Forgive me. I'm kind of on the run today and not thinking straight. Tater Tots Nursery and Jessica's Homestead Life. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and go buy Penny's Playful, not Reborn, she changed it, Playful Doll Adventures. She has a song up, Halloween My Way. And I don't know if she did that song or if it's something I just never heard before. But it even has her name in it. Let's use Penny's song today. She won't mind. I'll leave a link to her description. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description. Thank you for watching.